Alright, ladies and gentlemen, on the count of 3, 1, give me your... None other than the beloved Star City Mall, Borivali. Can we all make some noise? And Bhamika, thank you so much for being a part of this grandeur of this beautiful store that has launched over here.
Thank you.
I request all three of you to please take a seat.
I think the best part about Senco is that it's traditional, but it blends so well with modern style. And I think I'm that. मैं बहुत छोटी थी, मैं जब भी मैं शूट कर रही थी ना, तो वहाँ पे एक दादी थी जो फैमिली में, तो ऐसे ही शूट करके उन्होंने बोला कि कुड़िए तू ना अपनी उम्र तो बड़ी है. So I heard that so much that like मैं अपनी उम्र से थोड़ी बड़ी बातें करती हूँ. I always felt like कि this young generation, why don't I know all these things? But I think जैसे जैसे वक्त बीतता है, I understood how beautiful it is to be a blend of traditional and modern, and I think Senco represents that really well, and that's why I was like, yes, I would love to be part of this Senco. The way you generally like my clothes to be simple, as in not a lot of things on the clothes, but I love to wear like experimental jewelry and do something with jewelry. Like I love jewelry, so clothes में ज़्यादा simple रखती हूँ so that I can experiment more with my jewelry. I've always seen my family, my mom, my chachi, everybody wear gold, and diamond was always this more expensive, and that it was always special to bring like a diamond in the house. But I think because of my upbringing, I just resonate more with gold. But who doesn't love diamonds?
We have a very soft spot for Mumbai. It's a city of taste, performance, and the people who actually wants and speaks out what exactly they mean. So Bhamika is, someone who is very expressive, I think charming, effortlessly elegant, and she has captivated audience across languages by her performances. Especially, I could recollect Yoda and Kufia. That is one of the movies which I have seen. So, and she is someone who I believe is personally a youth icon for all the girls, women out there who wants to wear jewelry, which is everyday jewelry, a fashion. That's why, so Bhamika, thank you so much for being here, and blessing us with your presence for the opening of this wonderful store.
For making this evening wonderful evening. And one thing I would like to mention that she is correctly expressed that though it is 8 decades of legacy, but she correctly identified that the brand is changing with the time. That is the fantastic one of what she identified. I really thank you very much.
देखिए मैं पंजाब से हूँ. मुझे जो याद है, जो 2 बार मुझे मिली है, वो है पायल. पंजाबी कहते हैं झांझरा. सो मुझे अपनी दादी से और नानी से, आई थिंक दैट इज सब बच्चों के लिए वो एक हमेशा रहता था कि पायल मिली है.
Stands for and what these two collections are really going to resonate.
Right. So Senco has this legacy of 80 years, and we are into manufacturing and selling and retailing of jewelry, which is exquisite, which is karigari at its best. We have the range which caters from earrings to rings to necklaces, bangles, and we bring the craftsmanship of Kolkata to the different and the various part of the country. While talking about the brand, we are the second most trusted brand in the country today, and we have built this rep over the years by giving a product which is right. At the design which is completely setting up with the expectations of the consumers, and all the jewelries that we bring here is BIS hallmark. The diamonds are IGI and SGL certified, so that's how the trust has been built over the years.
3, 2, 1. Can you all make some noise for the first line of collection that is launching over here at Senco
us.
Alright, Vamika, very quickly, you just unveiled 2 collections by Senco Gold and Diamonds. Which of the one it is that you are liking the most right now?
Are you asking me such a difficult question? You can be gold member.
Yeah, it only depends on you. So we've got the Art Deco. Mr. Gavan and Mr. Abhi, we want all of you to first come together and then let's take some solo shots of Vamika as well.
स्वामिका जी थोड़ा नीचे यहाँ पे देखिए स्वामिका लुक सेंटर ऊपर स्वामिका जी यहाँ पे